The microcontroller timer and PWM frequency calculator helps you determine the optimal timer settings for generating specific PWM frequencies on your microcontroller. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have clock frequency in Hertz, where you enter your microcontroller's clock speed. Next is desired frequency in Hertz, which is your target PWM frequency. For Prescaler value, you can select from 1, 8, 64, 256, or 1024. I'll use 64 for this demonstration. Finally, timer bits gives you the choice between 8-bit, which ranges from 0 to 255, or 16-bit, ranging from 0 to 65535. I'm selecting 8-bit. For our example, I'll enter a clock frequency of 1600,000 Hz, which is 16 MHz, and a desired frequency of 1000 Hz. With Prescaler value set to 64 and timer bit set to 8-bit, I'll click Calculate PWM Parameters. The calculator determines the timer configuration values you need to program into your microcontroller registers to achieve your target frequency, taking into account the prescaler division and timer resolution limits. This tool saves you from manual calculations when configuring timers. Find the link in the description below.